Hello everyone, in today's video, I will demonstrate the process of removing the Passkey feature from your Google account. Passkey enables you to log in using facial recognition or fingerprint. If you wish to disable or delete this feature, follow these steps. You can perform this action on your laptop, Android phone, or iPhone. Begin by opening a browser and navigating to google.com. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Scroll through the top menu and click on Security. Once there, scroll down until you find Passkey and click on it. You will see a list of passkeys you have created. To remove one, click on the Cancel icon next to it and then click Remove. By following these steps, you can easily disable or delete the Passkey feature from your Google account.